Hello everyone! Today we will be making diced potatoes with peppers. This recipe is not only fast and easy to prepare, perfect breakfast to start your day. Now let's get chopping. We need 1 onion, half of a red and green pepper, and 6 Yukon Gold potatoes. Next, heat some oil in the pan, then add your diced potatoes. Sear them on high heat until lightly golden brown. Add your onions halfway through the cooking process, followed by your red and green peppers. I'd love to give you a big shout out. What country are you from? Please leave me a comment. This big hug is for Patty Stacker from Virginia, USA. And Nuria Damalian from Qatar, thank you for watching. Salt and pepper to taste. Sprinkle with wonderful spices for that extra burst of flavor. Cook for about 4 minutes. At almost the end of your cooking, add 3 tablespoons ketchup and 1 tablespoon sweet chili sauce for better flavor and nice crust. Mix well, making sure you fully distribute them. Shout out to Pepper Rojo from the Philippines. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks for joining me today in the kitchen. If you enjoyed the recipe and video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes coming your way soon. Pair this wonderful potato with eggs and bacon. You've just created a delicious breakfast that will keep you full. So enjoy!